If you have a Facebook page and you need to change the name, this video will show you exactly how to do that. I'm Janet, and on this channel, I break down tech and growth tips that can actually help you make money in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. Open your Facebook app, and first we need to switch from our profile to Facebook page. So click on your profile icon to the bottom right corner, click the drop down arrow, click on your page, and now we have successfully switched to our page. Click on the menu icon, click settings and privacy, click settings, scroll down till you are able to find page setup. Tap on page setup, click on name. Now go ahead and change your name to anything you want to change it to. Click done, click review changes. Once you review and you're satisfied with what you have here, click submit for approval. Then go back, click on username. Now go ahead and add a username, a unique name that your audience can easily type in the search bar to look for you. And make sure you do not add any space. If not, you won't be able to save it. Click done and click save. If this helped you, hit the subscribe button, turn on all post notification, and make sure to check out my Facebook playlist for more useful tutorials like this. Bye.